Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And in this video I am going to asking about whether we have to continue the SBI CLERK to-do list videos or not after the 100th day, and who wants to SBI CLERK to-do list videos. They all like this video, and in upcoming videos we are planning IBPS RRB's to-do list videos. And if you want those daily to-do list videos, please comment in the comment section. So who wants to continue the SBI CLERK to-do list videos? They all like this video. And who wants to RRB's to-do list videos? They all comment in the comment section. And in upcoming videos we are planning daily vocabulary words, daily current affairs, and small tips and tricks, and also shortcuts for English, quant and reasoning. So please like or comment for these daily to-do list videos and stay with us. We will provide the best. And thanks for watching this video, and thanks for being with me. And please subscribe my channel for more updates and latest updates, and thank you.